All right, real quick, like to do a video on in the installation of BIM tools and how to manage the product once you get it in there. So if you want our Revit plugin for BIM tools, you can get it in 2 locations as of today, and hopefully at the Autodesk store within a week or so. So the first location is on our website, ValorVDC.com. Just right there, it'll appear as soon as you open it up. Here it is. Just click on free trial, and you're off to the races. If you don't want to go through the website, you can also go to GitHub. I'll have both these addresses in the description, so you can choose which one you want. For time purposes, I'm going to go through GitHub because then I don't have to verify my email during the download process for ValorVDC. Basically, you just click on the button. This will change the download. You go here and you download it. But before you download it, you have to set up an account. It's just your name, your user, and your country and city. That's all I want to know. Just like to know where people in the world are from. That's it. What we're going to do is we're going to get it from BIM Tools right here. So we're going to click here. We're going to download it. Click Save. It's going to come in. And then once it comes in, we'll just launch it. Or you can go to your downloads and launch it. I'm going to click Next. Normally what you'll get is you'll get a little checkbox here. I already have it installed, so it's not going to come up. But so that's all you'll do. And then you'll click Next, and it's super simple, super easy, just like any other program you've installed. So now you have it installed. Congratulations. Before we get anything else or go anywhere else, this is probably one of the most important things to know is where things get installed to. So the first place that we're going to look is we're going to go here to this PC, and we're going to go to Program Data. This is the hidden folder. You can see it's tinted. You just have to hit the button that says Show Hidden Folders. And this is where all the installers go. So you can see all the installers. If there's issues, sometimes it will print out a log file, but we're not worried about that. Now, the other place we need to go to on this PC is Users, Public Documents, ValorVDC. What this is this is the folder where all the families are loaded. And it also has a shared parameter. So if you want to create your own sleeves, your own families, eventually hangers, that's all on the roadmap, points, all that fun stuff. You're gonna get those parameters from this spot here, and then you'll get your sleeve. So when you see these here, you'll be able to access them from the plugin itself. So now let's go to Revit. I got Revit open. This is just a generic file. After the install, you're gonna get this blank screen. You're not going to be able to access anything except for this right here. Go to Account, and then type in your account. And if this is your first time using the product and you're using it as a free trial, put in your name, your password, and hit the sign up for free trial. What it will do is it will send you an email to verify that you're a real person. You'll click, yes, I'm a real person. And then you just come back, and this should still be up, and you hit sign in. If it's not up, you might have to come back here to account, click it again, and then it will allow you to sign in. Super simple. That's all you need to know. If you purchase multiple license, now you get to stick around for some additional information. But before we get into that, let's move into what I was talking about with that public documents folder. So let me go ahead and actually sign in. It's just that quick. So now I'm signed in. I have access to everything. So the public documents folder, what it was is this is where your sleeves are. We have all these default families you can go. So we have wall sleeves in here. We also have the rectangular sleeves for duct in here too. So that's where all those families are located in that public documents folder. So if you're on the free trial, you're just giving it once over, a good go, you can check out now. But if you want to purchase multiple licenses, you can come here, and then we have an admin tag. So let's say you're the admin for your CAD department and you want to have multiple licenses. Well, all you do is you put other people's names in depending upon how many licenses your company purchased. You just put their email, their first name, and last name, hit add member, and it will start to populate. And then all they have to do is install the software, just like we showed, and then come here and fill in their user email and password. And they will have to click forgot password. And what this will do is it will send an email to their email that they entered in, and it'll allow them to reset the password. Once they reset the password, they can come back here too and then hit the sign in button, as long as you assign them as an admin, or not as an admin, as a user. Also, there's another button when you add a user where you can promote them to an admin. I don't feel like signing in again, but it will allow you to promote them to an admin so they can hand out licenses. Let's say you don't normally work in Revit, but you're the account manager. So you can assign the license. So you can delegate the license to somebody else, and then they can dole them out through your company and handle that. And then you just take care of the billing. That's it. Super simple. I don't want to complicate things. I want things to be as easy as they can be. If you made it this far in the video and you found value in the information I provided, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and then share this with other people. This is a very low cost plugin that I'm trying to build up to compete with some of these bigger guys that want to charge thousands of dollars for stuff that they wrote 10 years ago and only takes them not even 3 or 4 days to update with every release. So I'm trying to keep up with that. Between me and AI, we're going to take these big guys down. Thank you.